Are you tired of sluggish Windows? Let's unlock its full potential and turbocharge your performance today. Did you know that while Windows 11 offers a ton of exciting features, some can actually slow down your PC, invade your privacy, or clutter your workspace? Today I'm sharing 12 disabled settings that will boost your performance, protect your privacy, and keep your Windows experience fast and streamlined. Let's dive right in. First up, let's lock down the privacy settings. Windows monitor your activity to serve personalized ads. So please disable personalized ads. To do so, go to settings, privacy and security. Then under Windows permissions, go to diagnosis and feedback. Then toggle here off for the option send optional diagnostic data. No need to share extra info with Microsoft. Your device will run just fine. And go back on privacy and security. Then under recommendation and offers, turn off all the toggles here. Especially let app show me personalized ads. The third one is limit app location access. Go back here and go to app information under the privacy and security setting. Then click here on location. Then disable access for unnecessary apps here. Like here camera, we don't need location access. So toggle it off. The same for Microsoft Teams. So check and disable unnecessary apps that access location. And the fourth one is disable app access to account info. Go back on privacy and security. Then under app permissions, go to account info. And here toggle account info access to be off. Apps don't need your personal detail to run, so turn it off. Now let's clean out the visual clutter and those annoying ads. The fifth one is to disable ads in a file explorer. Open File Explorer and go to under the three dots here, then Option, then go to View tab, scroll down and uncheck Show Sync Provider Notification, then OK. The sixth one is to disable tip and suggestions. Go to Settings, then from the left side choose System, then go to Notifications, then scroll down and go to Additional Settings. Then here uncheck all promotional suggestions. This one and this one. The seventh one is to remove lock screen ads. To do this, go to your setting and from the left side menus, choose personalization, then lock screen. Then here under the lock screen status, click on the drop down list and choose none. And the eighth one is to disable start menu recommendations. Then under settings, then personalization, and scroll down and choose start. And here turn off show recommendation for tips and shortcuts. The eighth one, to disable the start menu account notifications. In the same setting at the start, scroll down and go to show account and related notifications here, then toggle it off. Now let's take control of your taskbar and system behavior. The 10th setting is to turn off widgets. On the settings, go to personalization, then scroll down and choose taskbar. And under the taskbar items, turn off widgets here. The 11th one is to manage app notifications. And under settings, go to system, then notifications. Now disable notification globally here, or you can selectively toggle them off for each apps. You can go here and disable it for the app that you don't need the notification. Then the third setting is to disable storage sense, and under settings go to system, then storage, and here turn off storage sense. This will prevent unwanted automatic file deletion. Here is a bonus performance tip. To speed up boot time, open your task manager. You can click Control, Shift, and Escape together. And go to Startup Apps and disable any high impact programs you don't need at startup. Click the app that has status enabled, then choose Disable here. And that is it. You now have 12 essential settings and one bonus tip to make your Windows 11 experience faster, cleaner, and more private. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for amazing tech guides. What is the first setting that you plan to disable on your fresh Windows 11? Let me know in the comment below. See you. Bye bye.